I hear a beast roaring off in the distance. Let's go see what it might be. Oh, it's a green monster. What's going on, bud? What'd you do? Just take this thing off the interstate and onto the trails?
Yeah, but that's what you like to do. Just go from asphalt to dirt and gravel, you know.
Oh man, that's not even fair. That's cheating.
This foam out is shitty.
What?
Fucking.
That looks like the one I got.
I know, but does yours like move around like that? I had to run the bands back up behind my board just so it wouldn't flop everywhere.
Move. Your ball's not tight on there.
Tightened about as much as I could.
That's why it moves.
Yeah, it ain't gonna go no tighter.
Oh, then something's wrong. Because the ball is supposed to tighten it up to where it won't move like that. You sure you tightened it the right way?
Yeah. What's this? Fucking large.
Talk about a value, son. I bought this for 1,200 bucks like 5 years ago. And I did the paperwork. It didn't have a title. I got it street legal and all that. I sold it to John for what, like 1,200 bucks? John rode it like 3 times. I rode it for like 3 years. And I sold it to John. John rode it 3 times. John sold it to him for 800 bucks. Street legal.
But why he put the $150 Trail Tech Vapor on it,
I put the Trail Tech Vapor on it. I got it street legal. I fixed the steering stem bearings.
Yeah,
I put tires on it. Yeah. I put a USB charger on it. I put a toggle for the fan.
Tail light.
Fixed the tail light somewhat. I did some stuff to it, but 800 bucks.
$800.
And honestly, a decent rider can pull this right off the interstate and complete this single track on it. That's what's so badass about these things. And the DR and the XR are 10 times more capable than this.
Dude.
He would what?
He pulls out a Tiger Martin, he cracks down on it, and already fucking breaks loose on her.
What?
It goes across railroad tracks, hits the straight stretch. Dude, he must have been going fucking 90 mile an hour. And then as soon as we got in the very first curve going up the hill, just a little bit of gravel laying in the fucking curve, his fucking ass end slid out and he fucking slid off the road.
What?
He didn't lay it down, but he slid off the road.
Going how fast?
I mean, he was slowed down a good bit, but he was still moving pretty fast.
Between 60 and 90. A little bit of gravel?
A little bit of gravel. We went up the hill, another fucking curve. He fucking slowed down to almost like 10, 15 mile an hour. Every curve after that, little bit of gravel in the curve, had almost come down to a stop. Like, why have a bike if you can't even go on asphalt through a little bit of gravel in curves?
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, you really handicap yourself. So you don't think the Harley would perform super well like Bear Hollow or Cobb Hollow or anywhere like that?
No, I don't. I think it would have a very, very tough time surviving. I think uphill. Started going up about midway up the hill. There's a big fucking huge drop off in a mud hole, probably. I mean, it's a big ass fucking mud hole, dude. And when I jumped over it, I leaned back and I just heard it fucking start revving. I landed and I could feel it like almost come out from underneath of me.
Do you have your phone and stuff all mounted up and everything?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. That's the worst things when you come up on something like that and you start freaking out. You're so close to crashing in a mud hole and you've got your phone and everything on you.
Yeah.
Sketch.
That'd be shitty.
But you're gonna have a bunch of moments like that. Like,
yeah,
you get a little too confident, get places you don't know, and it's. All right, guys, we just took a break. We walked the entire single track, picked up all the logs, sticks, and everything, cleared it off. We found out a spot where we can make a sick hill climb up the mountain, so we're probably not gonna try it today. We're kind of out of time. We need to clear up a couple spots with the saw, but yeah, I'm gonna ride one more quick section, a few more laps around the single track, and then I'm gonna call it a day and go inside and get ready to grub on some food and get ready for Nashville Supercross. So yeah, thanks for watching. There's a road over there. Is he gonna try to climb it? Caveman's about to try this climb. I hope my battery doesn't die. I didn't know he was actually gonna do it.
I didn't need it until you started fucking asking me how to get down there.
Hold up, guys, don't go anywhere. He says he's gonna climb it.
I can't even get my phone out to hit the record button.
When's he gonna realize? No reason to do it if it's not on camera.
Come up there, bitch.
$450, dude.
Alright, guys.
Hey, what the hell are you doing, dude?
What?
Portrait? Cave Cricket is about to come up the new hill climb we just made.
There he goes. He's gonna go. He made one successful try.
He made it up at once, but the GoPro was dead and we couldn't get the phone out on time. Oh yeah.
No problem, bud. Tractor through her on the 450.
No problem, bro. Front wheel lofted the whole way, made it look easy. Already got a path broke in.
If you think it's not steep, it is.
Yeah, it's got some steep parts. Nothing looks near as steep on camera.
Right.